Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to set a PIN for your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y glove box. This feature, available on models produced after 2020, provides an extra layer of security for your wallets, phones, and other valuables while your car is parked. We'll walk through the setup process step by step. First, ensure your Tesla is in park mode. The touchscreen will display park status and other vehicle information. On the touchscreen, tap the controls icon. This will open the main controls menu where you can access various vehicle settings. Then, navigate to Locks. This section contains all the security and access settings for your vehicle. You'll see the option labeled Glovebox PIN. This is where you can set up or modify your secure Glovebox access code. Tap on this to begin the setup process. You'll be prompted to enter and confirm your 4-digit PIN. A screen will appear prompting you to enter a 4-digit PIN. Choose a memorable but secure PIN, avoiding obvious choices like 000. Enter your chosen PIN and then confirm it in the next field. Consider setting a secondary PIN for shared access scenarios. Your PIN is stored locally on the vehicle's central computer, not in the cloud, enhancing your privacy. The glove box uses a solenoid lock activated by the PIN. The car must be unlocked via your key fob or phone app before you can enter the PIN on the touchscreen to open the glove box. This prevents unauthorized access, even if someone breaks a window. Now let's demonstrate how it works. Once you've set your PIN, the glove box will automatically lock whenever you lock the car. To unlock it, tap the glove box icon on the touchscreen and enter your 4-digit PIN. You can also unlock it remotely via the Tesla app if that feature is available on your model. Choosing a secure PIN is crucial for protecting your valuables. Avoid easily guessable numbers like your birth year or the last 4 digits of your phone number. A random combination of numbers offers the best protection. Also, remember your PIN. If you forget it, you may need to contact Tesla support. The Glovebox PIN proves valuable in real-world situations. For example, a Tesla Model Y owner used it to secure a $5,000 watch during valet parking at a hotel. By requiring PIN entry on the touchscreen, it prevented potential theft of the valuable item. Statistics from the National Insurance Crime Bureau show that Tesla Model 3 owners who use the Glovebox PIN experience 30% fewer Glovebox-related thefts compared to those who don't. This demonstrates the feature's effectiveness as a deterrent against opportunistic theft. Overall, the Glovebox PIN provides a simple yet effective layer of security, deterring theft and helping protect valuables in everyday scenarios. As electric vehicle theft rates continue to rise, security features like Tesla's Glovebox PIN are becoming increasingly integrated into overall vehicle protection systems. Looking ahead, future advancements in EV security may include biometric Glovebox access using facial recognition technology. Additionally, blockchain-secured PINs could provide enhanced protection against unauthorized access. A key trend is moving towards more localized PIN storage, reducing reliance on cloud systems and improving user privacy. These developments promise to make EVs even more secure while maintaining user convenience. Thanks for watching.